When you set out to know what it truly means to be Igbo, you will meet the fact that Igbo always faces the problem of attracting both hatred and love at the same time from mostly the same persons. During the transatlantic slave trade, the slave trader had the Igbo problem. He loved and hated the Igbo slave. Even Ndigbo themselves have the Igbo problem. While Nigerians are complaining that Ndigbo only love themselves, Igbo are complaining that Igbos hate one another. It all began with the transatlantic slave trade, which provided a framework of laws and social norms for selling human beings as commodities. About 15 million Africans were forced into slavery in the Americas. And Igbo, who were transported through the Bight of Biafra, were 1.7 million. Almost 11%, giving Ndigbo the highest number of any ethnic group forced into slavery in the Americas. This system violently tore men and women away from their loved ones, transported them across the Atlantic Ocean as goods.